All right, folks, here we go. Wednesday morning, time to get rolling. Sun's coming up here in Chicago. Lot to do. Let's go. Markets are flat. Dollar on the rise a bit this morning. Seeing yields perk up. As a result, dollar trading a bit higher against a basket of currencies. Where's the mover been over the past two days? I know it's been a bit quiet, but there's always action somewhere. That action has been in energy. Check out oil. WTI, 2-year high, up above $68 a barrel. Up another buck this morning. Why? Talked about it yesterday. Summer's at her doorstep. Demand's going to start picking up. OPEC Plus comes out yesterday, says that they're going to gradually release more production into the market instead of flooding the market with oil and bringing prices down. That's been good for oil. So, again, 2-year high, up above $68 a barrel. Seeing a lot of big moves in oil lately. There's some action to take advantage of. Friday, jobs report, the big May jobs report, non-farm payroll unemployment rate, all traders looking to that number. It's going to be a bit quiet heading into the Friday trade. What can you do? Get in, take advantage of some educational videos, go to the Nadex YouTube channel, get into demo, trade around with some fake money, get ready for that Friday trade. You can also get into Nadex event contracts. You can trade and make a prediction on that non-farm payroll number as well as the unemployment rate. Get that done today if you're so inclined. All right, folks, we still got a busy week ahead of us. Let's go get some. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.